Hello. The analytical community is with you, Guru.Markets. We start with summary information about the company. Let's look at each indicator in more detail a little further. If you're interested, you can pause it. You can study all the parameters of the company in question more carefully. We will compare the main fundamental indicators of the corporation Palantir Technologies, Inc., ticker PLTR. The review was created using data as of April 7, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Palantir Technologies, Inc. belongs to the subcategory. Data: 49 organizations participate in the assessment. This is very representative. We will see the table of orders at the end of this video. The overall result for the company in question is 1.5 out of 10 points. Average total for the subcategory, 2 points. If you look broadly, within the US market in aggregate, we will see the average result for the market in the aggregate is 1.9 points. Against the score of 1.5 points Palantir Technologies. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares Palantir Technologies, Inc. and subcategory shares. We will see that over the last 12 months stocks Palantir Technologies showed a dynamics of 226%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory 59.5%. This definitely doesn't mean anything, but we need to keep this fact in mind. Market capitalization of the company Palantir Technologies, Inc. valued at $173.55 billion. Market capitalization of the subcategory is $641 billion. Palantir Technologies, Inc. accounts for a share of 27.091% and is one of the leaders in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $4.71 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $58 billion. Palantir Technologies, Inc. constitutes a share of 8.121%. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we will see the following. Occupied share Palantir Technologies, Inc. in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 27.091%. The book value is 8.121%, which is 70% less than the market capitalization share. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The analyzed organization's debt obligations amount to $0.235 billion. Debt to book capitalization is 5% of the company's capital. Score for the company's debt obligations, very good, 2 points. The ratio of the company's stock market value to its profit is 375.6. With a subcategory average of 104.8, this is 72% higher than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's market price to profit indicators in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $462 million. Future earnings for the coming 12 months are expected to be $790 million. Which is 71.1% more than at the current moment. Rating of expected future profit in comparison with in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue balance is 60.6. The subcategory average is 7, which is 766% higher than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's market value to its revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2,870 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is tentatively expected to be $4,900 million. This is 71% more than currently. Assessment of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 1 point. The sales margin is 16.1%, with an average in the subcategory of 6.7%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 9.4%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.445%. This is 1,775% less than the market capitalization share. And this reflects the discrepancy between the company's market price Palantir Technologies, Inc., most likely towards revaluation. The amount of capital per company employee is $44,101 and $1,000. Whereas for the subcategory, it is $2,352,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 1,775%. Estimation of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, tolerable, 0 points. The profit per individual employee is $117.4 thousand, with the average in the subcategory, $22.4 thousand. And the difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 423%. Assessment of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $728,000. By subcategory, $335,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 117%. Assessment of the share of revenue per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 0.5 points. Shares are short 2.8%, with a subcategory average of 2.9%. This is an indicator of a possible short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 37% for the company Palantir Technologies, Inc. Whereas in the subcategory this level is approximately 33%. Technically, subcategory securities are valued in the same way as company shares Palantir Technologies. The company's current stock price is approximately $74.02. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $94.17. The difference between the actual estimate and the consensus forecast is approximately 27%. Let's go to the orders table. It is available to everyone. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the stock valuation reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free. Link in pinned comment. As a result of the company analysis Palantir Technologies, Inc. Information and reference System.GURU.Markets, the following decision was made. Do not open an order, as the video is a review. Thank you very much to the public for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.